Hey there, this is Tara with WTI. Do you like for your bed to be nice and toasty warm when you go to bed?
Well, we have fallen in love with our HOMISPRITE king-size, soft, luxurious heated blanket. This beautiful ribbing material has made it really nice because you can use it on its own as a blanket, but it also hides the little wires, and on the inside it's soft and you don't barely feel the wires. I also like how it's easy to disconnect and to connect. That way, if you want to be able to throw it in the washer, it makes it a lot easier. And I also like how long the cord is. So you have plenty of room to be able to plug it in onto any side of the bed and reach without having to pull the cord. And best of all, it has 2 controls. So you don't ever have to worry about fighting over who wants it hotter and who wants it cooler.
So why not make your sleeping situation nice and cozy? We have loved using this electric heated blanket, and that is just our point of view.